Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Sonia and today we're talking about how much exercise do I need? Now, exercise can be interpreted as many things. It can be going to the gym, it can be doing a Pilates workout on the floor, it can also be going for a brisk walk around the neighborhood. What we want to know is what is the scientific research? What does it say? How many minutes do we really need to be therapeutic? So here's a handy tip. If you're looking for a GP or changing GPs, then you might want to find one that appears to look healthy rather than, say, an overweight GP. Because you say, why? Because if you have a GP who has a regular physical activity regime and who eats healthfully, then they are more likely to counsel you on lifestyle issues and, getting you to be within your correct body mass index and, counseling you on activity and good food as well. So that is my tip for you. If you like information like this that is handy and good to know, then you need to subscribe to my channel. How much physical activity do we need? Well, the answer is 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes a day or 150 minutes a week. Now, 20 minutes will give you therapeutic benefits. It will reduce the risk of mortality by 19%. However, if you can't do 20 minutes, something is better than nothing, and it's suggested some sort of activity is better than none. So 10 minutes is fine, less than that if you have to, but definitely 20 minutes is where you'll get 19% reduction in mortality, and the more you exercise, the better that those numbers actually are. So if you're wondering why is exercise good for my body, then here are some of the things that physical activity actually affect. So physical activity helps with our sleep. It helps the onset of sleep, the quality and the duration of sleep. Sleep is so important to our health and to maintaining weight as well. A single physical exercise session can actually increase memory recall, concentration and focus. So a great idea if you're studying for exams or have an essay or doing a presentation at work, you might want to do a session of activity the morning of. Just a little idea. Physical activity also helps reduce anxiety and depression. So another great way of reducing anxiety and depression naturally is to actually use physical activity. And physical activity in conjunction with a plant-based, less processed diet actually improves the maintenance of body weight and prevents excess weight in adults, children, and pregnant women. I have a video clip which I'll link above, and it talks about being overweight during pregnancy or gaining weight during pregnancy and what that causes. So physical activity can reduce the risk of dementia. It can also decrease the risk of cancers such as breast cancer, colon cancer are the two predominant ones, as well as some other cancers. It also reduces chronic diseases, especially type 2 diabetes, osteoarthritis and hypertension. Within days of beginning or maintaining a regular exercise or physical activity program, the risk of your disease risk actually starts to decrease, and your physical function actually improves as well. If you're over the age of 65 or know somebody who is, then muscle strengthening is suggested twice a week, as well as balance exercises. So you might need to go and see a physio. This also reduces the risk by 30% of falls and breaking of bones that is associated with falling. The 10 leading causes of death in a high-income country in 2016 is listed, I'll put it just beside me here. And top of the list are things like ischemic heart disease and stroke. Now, these cause of death statistics help public health, target strategies to address whatever is highest or on that list. So ischemic heart disease and stroke can be mitigated by utilising lifestyle modifications to prevent those diseases from actually happening. If you want to reduce your risk of mortality by 19%, then start doing some physical activity 20 minutes a day. Add a Mediterranean diet, eating from a Mediterranean diet, which has great foods for your health, and you are in a win-win situation. And I hope that's been helpful, and that's it for me. So bye for now. Bye.